Scott Holbrook, Director of Sales, Secure Tool Company. We are almost finished with our rooftop installation of the Helium Bobcat miner. Once again, this here, our outdoor enclosure, is just a Tupperware. It is waterproof. In the bottom, we've drilled some holes. The big ones were drilled with a 1-inch wood spade. The little ones were drilled with a 3/8 inch. The excess holes are really just for heat control, as well as the cords to go in. You see right here, at the bottom of the antenna, we have our lightning arrestor. What that's going to do for us is any static buildup in the air, lightning strikes, it's going to have a mechanism inside that disconnects so that we protect the electronics inside. And you see we do got that grounded down here to the pole. What we got right here is our PoE splitter. The white cable is bringing power as well as internet. The black cable you see goes into the miner. There's the power for it. And then that blue cable is our Ethernet connection. We got a 10-foot steel pole that we're going to put into the wall right here. It's going to raise it up high above treetops, rooftops. You see we've got a clear view of the mountains. So this is actually going to work really nicely with our fire detection and prevention network that we are installing here in Tucson, Arizona. Just a little view around. See, we're pretty high up. We're going to get some good signals out of this. And so we will be back with you as soon as we get this thing set up.